Hello students, welcome to English lecture. Today we shall be starting 10th standard English 2.4 and epitome of courage. So in last lecture we saw that an epitome of courage is the best example, or you can say the fine example of courage, that is indicates to the great scientist of this world, Stephen Hawking. We just saw how he sudden search, or he sudden came to know that unexpected shock or disease, and he was confined to a wheelchair. Though he was confined with wheelchair, his will was very strong and he proved that. So let's begin the next paragraph. How much time he had left on this planet was very uncertain. The prognosis was had, and the doctor said they could not do much. Undaunted, Stephens decided to continue his research and even got engaged to a Jenny Wild. Hawkins says that, ironic as it may sound, it is at this decimal stage he began enjoying life the most. This, he says, was because he started living life for the moment and continued his doctoral research work with renewed vigor. So, students, in this paragraph, Hawkins says that how much time he had, he doesn't know. The prognosis was his condition, the forecast about, the prediction about the disease. As the doctor said, he could not do much. So he was not certain, he was not unsure about his life, about his work. Undaunted, Stephen Hawking decided to continue his research and even got engaged to a Jenny Wild. Undaunted means not afraid of misfortune. Means he was very brave. He was very brave, and he did not afraid of the dreadful disease. So undauntedly, Stephen decided to continue his research. वो रिसर्च कौन से सब्जेक्ट में कर रहे थे, क्या कॉन्सेप्ट में कर रहे थे, वो नीचे के पैराग्राफ में डिस्क्लोज किया गया है. एंड इवन गॉट एंगेज एंड ही एंजॉयड, he decided to enjoy his life also, and he got engaged to a Jenny Wild. Hawking बोलते हैं that, ironic as it may sound, it is at this decimal stage. As it may be criticized in society that being in this situation, he's thinking about the enjoyment, yet he did not care. He was just enjoying his life and continuing his research. He began enjoying life the most. This, he says, was because he started living life for the moment, that he says that life is wonderful, life is limited, we should not waste a single moment of this life. Is this the span of life? So we should enjoy the every moment of our life. His doctoral research work with renewed vigor. So with new enthusiasm, with new hope, he continued his research. So here in this paragraph we can see, as he was suffering with a very rare disease, yet he decided to continue his research. Even he decided to enjoy his every moment of his life. So let's see the next paragraph. In the meanwhile, the disease worked its way into Stephen's body and left him disabled. He began studying the concept of black hole. To get his PhD by this time, he was confined to a wheelchair and was rapidly losing control of his hands and speech. The study of black holes sparked his imagination with bright ideas. He made many epoch-making statements that shook established theories. Scientists believe that the universe began with a Big Bang. To explain this concept better, Stephen invented what is known as Lie algebra. So, as I said, his concept of PhD, concept of research has been disclosed in this paragraph. And meanwhile, the disease worked, so his condition was very worse now after. But he began studying the concept of black hole. But he was continued with his research, and the concept for research was the topic, that is black hole. So here students, this black hole is nothing but a black hole is a place in space where gravity pulls so much that even light cannot get out. So ब्लैक होल का मतलब क्या होता है कि रोशनी रिफ्लेक्ट करती है जहाँ से, और उसके अंदर बहुत ही ज़्यादा ग्रेविटी, गुरुत्वाकर्षण बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, यहाँ तक कि लाइट भी अगर उसमें एंटर कर जाए तो वो वापस नहीं जा सकती है. सो इट वॉज हिज कॉन्सेप्ट ऑन विच ही वॉज कंटिन्यूइंग हिज रिसर्च. ये कॉन्सेप्ट था ब्लैक होल्स का जिस पे वो रिसर्च कर रहे थे. एज ही वॉज कन्फाइंड to a wheelchair and was rapidly losing his control. Now he was unable to control, he was continuously losing control of his hands and speech. So the study of black holes sparked his imagination with bright ideas. As his speech, he was losing his speech as well as hands. Yet his imagination was working sparkly. His imagination was working tremendously. उनका जो imagination था वो काम कर रहा था, मीन्स उनका mind काम कर रहा था. And he made many epoch-making statements, and in between he made many epoch-making, means of great importance at the particular restricted time. सो इस छोटे से समय में उन्होंने बहुत ही बड़े बड़े मिरेकल्स किया एंड बहुत ज़्यादा थियरीज़ भी निकाली, थियरीज़ भी इस्टेब्लिश किया. साइंटिस्ट बिलीव करते हैं दैट द यूनिवर्स बिगैन विथ अ बिग बैंग. बिग बैंग मीन्स व्हाट? बिग बैंग इज़ द थियरी अबाउट हाउ द यूनिवर्स बिगैन, एंड इट सेज दैट the universe started with small singularity that inflated over the next 13.8 billion years to the cosmos that we know today. So it was the concept of Big Bang. To explain this concept better, Stephen invented what is known as Lie algebra. सो इस कॉन्सेप्ट को और क्लैरिफाई करने के लिए और अच्छे से समझाने के लिए उन्होंने स्टीफन हॉकिंग ने और एक कॉन्सेप्ट का इन्वेंशन किया। इन्वेंशन मीन्स खोज किया, जिसका क्या नाम पड़ा? लाई एल्जेब्रा। सो स्टूडेंट्स, टिल देन here I stop this lecture. Till then, goodbye. We shall be starting the next paragraph in this lecture. Thank you.